Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I've got a super easy honey mustard dressing recipe for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we upload. So in a bowl, you're going to add a cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of Miracle Whip. And I know what you're thinking, who actually uses Miracle Whip, but I've tried to make honey mustard in the past, and I think that the Miracle Whip might be the secret ingredient. I'm not 100% sure what Miracle Whip is, but it worked. This is also my grandmother's recipe, so you know it's going to be good if it came from a grandma. Then you're going to add a quarter cup of honey. And pro tip, if you don't want the honey to stick to your measuring cup, if you have some spray oil, just give it a quick spray of oil and it'll slip right out. You could also just put some on a paper towel and rub it around your measuring cup. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of yellow French's mustard. And then you're just going to mix it up. This makes just a super basic honey mustard. If you wanted it to be a little bit thinner, you could add a little splash of water. I would recommend, if you add a little splash of water, to add just a little bit more mustard and possibly a little bit more honey. If you wanted a more grainy honey mustard, you could use grainy mustard. I don't see why that wouldn't work. You could also probably use spicy brown if you wanted it to be a little bit spicy. You could add a little cayenne pepper to this as well if you wanted like a hot honey mustard. But yeah, this is a really simple recipe that you can kind of dress up however you want your honey mustard to be. And there it is. That's the consistency. It was pretty thin, but if you like a thinner honey mustard, just add a little water. But that's it. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.